In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple selection dropdowns in Google Sheets for 2024. This feature is incredibly useful for managing lists and organizing your data effectively, allowing greater flexibility in how you interact with your spreadsheets. Let's get started. First, open up your Google Sheet. You can begin with a blank sheet or a document you've already been working on. Think about where you might need dropdowns that allow multiple selections. This might be useful for project management, inventory categorization, or any scenario where more than one option needs to be recorded. Now, select the range of cells where you want the dropdown to appear. Click and drag across the cells or hold down the Shift key while clicking to select various ranges. Right-click on your chosen range once it's highlighted. This will bring up a context menu where you need to look for an option labeled as dropdown. Go ahead and click on it. You will now notice a drop-down list appearing in your selected cell range. Click on any drop-down list cell to ensure it's working. In the surrounding options, head over to the criteria section of the data validation rules. Here, you'll find another drop-down list. Click it and select the drop-down from a range option. This is where the magic happens. You're telling Google Sheets that you want your list to be based on another set of data. Next, you need to choose a range where your data validation rules will apply. If you have your list set on another sheet or another part of the current sheet, navigate to that area. In some cases, using a separate sheet for drop-down options keeps your main sheet clean and organized. Highlight the list that contains all the items you wish to include in your drop-down list. After selecting the items, confirm your selection by clicking OK. This action will ensure that your drop-down list pulls the information from your selected range. Consider spicing things up by selecting different option colors for your list. Color coding options are not just for aesthetic appeal, they can also improve readability and data comprehension, allowing you to visually categorize different selections. Finally, you should see an option to allow multiple selections in the drop-down settings. Make sure to click that to enable multiple selections in your drop-down list. When you're all set, just click Done. You've now customized a range of cells to accept multiple selections. Go back to your previous sheet and take a moment to view your updated drop-down list. Each dropdown should reflect the changes you made, allowing users to select more than one option based on the choices you've set up. This function can significantly enhance data input customization in your Google Sheets. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore other ways to make your spreadsheets even more dynamic and useful.